Before the stars, before time, and before the first spark of life, there was only silence. But from that infinite void, one vibration emerged. That vibration is Om. In Hindu philosophy, it is not just a word. It is the original sound of creation, the heartbeat of the universe itself. The ancient Vedas and Upanishads describe Om as the seed of all matter and energy. It symbolizes the past, the present, and the future, and the eternal reality that lies beyond time. But did you know that Om is actually three sounds blended into one? A, U, M. The first sound, A, represents the waking state and Brahma, the creator. It is the beginning of all existence. The second sound, U, represents the dreaming state and Vishnu, the preserver. It is the force that sustains life and holds the universe together. The final sound, M, represents the deep sleep state and Shiva, the transformer. It is the inevitable dissolution of the universe, clearing the way for new life to begin again. This cycle creates the concept of pranava, the cosmic roar. Sages believe that everything in the universe vibrates at a specific frequency. Om is that base frequency. When we chant it, we tune our bodies to the rhythm of the cosmos. This is why Om is central to yoga and meditation. It acts as a bridge between the physical world and the spiritual essence known as Brahman. Om is the sound of unity. It reminds us that we are not separate from the universe. We are a vibration within it. If this vibration resonated with you, like and subscribe for more explorations into ancient wisdom.